Have you been hustling, grinding, and just on the go, nonstop, trying to earn more money in your Teachers Pay Teacher store? But despite all of the hustle and grind, you still have little to no results to account for. You've been watching the strategy videos, you've been reading blog posts, researching the latest and greatest TPT strategies and trends to try to boost the income in your Teachers Pay Teacher store with still no results to account for. I've been there, I've done that. I was on the hustling and grind non-stop experience until I learned an effortless and easy way to increase sales into your TPT store easily, effortlessly, and in flow with your creativity and your personal energetic alignment. I went from making $2.60 in monthly revenue on TPT to making over $1,000 in a single month on TPT in one summer. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I was able to generate such a huge pay increase in such a short amount of time. And be sure to stay to the end of the video because I'm going to be sharing with you an offer that you will not want to miss out on. Hello, my name is Bree. I'm an elementary school teacher, master money mindset, and high vibe success coach, here to empower women to reach their full potential by giving them the resources, the tools, the high vibe hacks and tricks to create their high vibe life fueled with effortless fun and flow. To get started working with me, be sure to grab my free quiz to discover your money frequency and make sure that you are attracting and are an energetic match to the money that you deserve. Also, if you're interested in how I created 12 streams of income on a low budget teacher salary, which include rental real estate properties and investing into cryptocurrency, all on a low budget teacher salary, be sure to grab my Millionaire Teacher Money Plan. It's filled with my step-by-step process on how I did so, where I share my money hack on how I created wealth and I give you the formula to do it yourself. Now, one of the 12 streams of income that I love so much that really broke the energetic door for me. This is the first time I was able to see my full pure potential at hand, and that is when I hit $1,000 in a single month on TPT in a single summer. I love Teachers Pay Teachers as a source of income because it is so extremely passive. I literally make money in my sleep, and that is my whole goal. My goal is to make as much money with as little effort and flow, but also having the best time creating and having the best time selling and having the best time working with my clients. And believe me, I understand the feeling of putting so much time and energy and grind and hustle into your shop with little to no results. I'm here to help you make the shift to more abundance and more money in your pocket. Now, the first tip I have for quick growth on Teachers Pay Teachers is to declare and create a goal centered around your shop using a vision board. Now, this is not the first time I've used a vision board to literally goal set and manifest so many things into my life easily and effortlessly. I have a playlist down below which I go into a couple different scenarios on how I did this, but this is your ultimate superpower in creating goals that are in alignment to you, that feel good to you, that you will want to wake up and accomplish every single day. Now, creating a goal is the first step in creating the invisible to visible. You have a mind, you have a passion, writing it down on a vision board is turning that passion and idea into a tangible goal, a tangible thing you can see with. And because you can see this goal in your vision board, you're able to attach on and create that inspired action towards that goal every single day. You're able to see it, you can feel it, it's already there, it's easy to attract. I want you to think of it this way. You have a pitcher of water, and the water is your creativity, okay? It's that effortless flow and ease and fun that really creates wealth and abundance. Now, if you take that water and just pour it all over the table, it's going everywhere, it's creating a mess. Where when you create a vision board and create goals, those goals are holding that structure for your creativity water to flow into. You need both. You need structure and creative flow. If you don't have both, it's not gonna work. In June 2022, I sat down for the first time and I said, you know what? I want to create a steady stream of passive income for me and my family. I sat down and I wrote down a goal that scared the crap out of me. $1,000 in 1 month on TPT. Yeah, it sounds impossible, but it's not. And also I only have, I think, like 50 products in my store as well. So just so you know. I sat down and I aligned with that goal. I wrote it on my vision board. And what I did was I connected with this goal every time I woke up and every time I went to sleep. I used the power and intention of my mind and energy to make sure that I believed in this goal enough that I knew it was already mine. I know this probably sounds really overwhelming, but stay tuned to the end because I have the most helpful hint for you on how to master this skill. It's an art. It's a skill, it's an art, but it's really, really easy. The second tip for quick growth in your Teachers Pay Teachers store is to work in alignment with your unique human design and energetic flow. So many of my clients come to me burnt out, feeling discouraged, not understanding why they're not seeing results, feeling completely drained from working outside their zone of genius and out of their energetic alignment. According to the universal laws of attraction and vibration that I work with every single day of my existence, if you are creating product in your store where you are feeling drained, where you are feeling uninspired, misaligned, confused, your energy is just all over the place, or even being in the vibration of, I have to do this, like, I have to get this done, I have to. What kind of results do you think you're going to drive into your business? What kind of results do you think you're going to generate within your Teachers Pay Teachers shop? You attract what you put out. That is the power of intention. Now, setting consistent working times is key, of course, in sitting down, creating product, creating routine for yourself to continue working in your store. However, honoring your energetic being and creating your products in a state of effortless flow, fun, creativity, really tapping into that free, flowy, fun energy that we know we have is what you are looking for to generate the results that you want. For example, my current clients right now work better with working a little bit and taking a break, working a little bit, taking a break. Really working on short spurts is their energetic alignment. That is when they're in their zone of genius. Things flow effortlessly, easily. Time seems to not even exist when they're in this flow state. Your creative energy and your creative high vibrational intention is what attracts customers into your store. I learned very, very early on in my business career and my business journey that strategy is truly only 10% of success. Real success lies in your energy and intention that you are in. It's a state of being of when you are creating your products, when you're creating your emails, when you're posting your products on TPT, even when you're talking about it on social media. What's more important is your energy behind your actions that really count, not just the mundane, boring, like dead vibe energy. No, energy flows where your intention goes. When I sat down in June 2020, I looked at my goal of hitting $1,000 on TPT, and I made the intention that every time I chose to work on a product, my intention was pure and full in love, knowing that my product is going to impact and enhance and improve the education of students. It's gonna help teachers effortlessly print out these products and effortlessly teach these amazing concepts that I feel so in my zone of genius creating. It's a win-win for everyone. Now give this video a thumbs up if you are just so happy to hear that I said business is not about strategy. Business is about energetic alignment. Business is all about creating high vibrational solutions to common problems to help people in their lives. We have to feel high vibrational when we create these products for people. Otherwise, it's not gonna land and it's not gonna transform their lives. My third tip for quick growth on Teachers Pay Teachers is to actually charge what your products are worth. I need you to understand the concept of paying and money. When you are paying for a service, a product, you are energetically exchanging your time and zone of genius for this person's money to gain access to you. That's all it is. Money is just energy. Your time is your energy. Charge what the product is actually worth for the amount of time you put into it and the amount of love and the amount of intention you have behind that product. So many times I have clients say, oh, I don't want to charge that much because my customers are teachers. Well, first of all, how are we supposed to expect teachers to make more if we keep limiting them down to this level? No, I'm a teacher and I pay huge money for self-improvement, for coaches, for TPT products that make my life easier. It's an energetic exchange. It has nothing to do with what we think money actually means. Charging for your products and services is a direct correlation to how you feel in your personal power about yourself. I have bought courses in the past that I've paid maybe like $400 for, and I'm like, this is worth so much more money than $400. So many people in the business space undercharge themselves, and I need you to understand that charging more for your product isn't bad, it's not evil, it's just that energetic exchange. It's that boundary of this is how much it's worth and this is how much I'm willing to receive for access to it. That's it. That's all it is. Also, I want you to think of it in terms of the buyer. When you buy something for $1, how do you value that product compared to the same product at maybe $15? You have a different energetic attachment to the pricier item because it's more worth your time energetically, if that makes sense. You value it more because it's worth more to you rather than the dollar product that's like kind of like, oh, okay. Also, knowing that your product is worth this amount and holding true to it, I'm telling you, you will forever and always, if your intention is pure behind your product price, I guarantee you 100% there will always forever be a line of clients waiting for you, waiting to work for you, waiting to buy your products. Guaranteed, because your intention and your vibration of what you created and holding into the world and bringing into existence attracts people to you. High vibe teaching, baby. Now, if thinking about charging and upselling and doing all of those things with money makes you cringe and feel uncomfortable, you're on the right track. Be sure to book your free one-on-one call with me where I specialize in the frequency and vibration of money, and I am here to empower you to reach your full potential, and that means charging what you should be charging, because when you are living in your full potential, you are just subconsciously, unknowingly shining this beautiful light. It just radiates from yourself, and you are able to transmute lower vibrational energy and enlighten everyone around you. You're literally a golden light bulb lit the F up when you are in alignment. And this also includes your products on Teachers Pay Teachers. That intention you set behind your product has the ability to transmute that teacher who's buying it into feeling so much better, so low stress, especially when you set up the product to be step by step, so many resources involved. It's worth the price tag, and you have to have your energy aligned to that. You have to believe in it yourself. Creating wealth for you and your family is not supposed to be a grind. That is the old way of doing things. That's the old paradigm that we are elevating ourselves out of. We're becoming more in tune with what works, what doesn't, what feels good, what feels sleazy and gross and just not a vibe, and transmuting that in our businesses by creating impactful products full of high vibrational energy that's going to impact and change the students and teachers and world around you. Creating results in your Teachers Pay Teacher store can be effortless, but it is a choice nonetheless. Creating success in your Teachers Pay Teacher store is all about creativity and personal alignment. Say it with me. I do not chase, I attract. I do not chase, I attract. I don't chase, I attract. Which leads me to my amazing and life-changing offer to help you get started in creating the goals and attracting the success easily and effortlessly. I am now opening the doors to my mini course, Goal Set and Manifest, using my simple step-by-step process on how to create a vision board that lights you the F up and allows you to manifest the money, the success, the abundance that you desire to experience in your life. Easy and effortlessly. I take you on the process from discovering your personal human design. I read your human design chart. I can tell you exactly the tips and tricks you need in order to embody your human design, to design and create a schedule that matches your working patterns, that allows you to create that high vibrational intention behind every product, because you won't be burnt out, you'll be high vibe, you'll feel in flow, you'll be motivated, and you will be in your zone of genius. I'm also going to teach you how to use your vision board in simple and easy daily routines and habits that take you less than a minute to do, which is key to allowing money and success and abundance to enter into your world. Remember, you attract. You do not chase, you attract. You will also get access to my high vibrational energy secrets. My intention behind this video is for you to tap in and understand your true potential. You can be, do, have anything your heart desires, and it is my mission to show you that you can. Boring and stale business strategies are no longer a thing. That is a thing in the past. Not gonna work anymore. Business is more than just doing the same mundane things over and over again to make money. Business is all about spreading your high vibrational energy to impact the lives of others, to make the world a better place for everyone. I challenge you to take this leap of faith and invest into yourself and finally take the actions that you need to reach the goals that you desire. Because when you are shining brightly, you transmute and change the world for the better. You are here to shine. You are here to be your full high vibe, vibrational self. The link for the course will be down below, Goal Set and Manifest. It's very limited. It's only open for a small amount of time, and I will not be opening the course again until December 2022. Can't wait to see you inside the course. And if you want some other content to watch, I have these videos here as well. Message me on Instagram with any questions you may have. I hope you have the best day, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!